Welcome in our How to Use video of the i3SYNC solution. It consists of a receiver and a transmitter. Connect the transmitter to your laptop. Plug in the USB, the HDMI, and now wait for a constant green light. Once you have a green light, you can press the main button. And now you can start your presentation. Control your presentation through your laptop. It's also possible to play a video with the i3SYNC. In this case, you can switch the slide button from presentation mode to video mode. Now you have more frames per second. To stop presenting, just press the main button again. It's as simple as that.